Today we're heading to Lake Arrowhead for an engagement shoot. Not just any engagement shoot though. He's popping the question. So I have my ghillie suit ready in the back. Just kidding. Wish I had a ghillie suit. This should be really fun because I'm not familiar with the area at all. And Alyssa, pretty knowledgeable.
It's been like 10 years since I've been there.
So we'll see how this goes. Also, the person setting this up wanted it by the lake, preferably with snow. So we're hoping it hasn't all melted.
Oh,
Coyote!
Chase!
If you know us, you know we aim to please.
This made me poop myself.
Good. Look at
Yeah,
that.
when you see the tractors.
Sharp right at the tractors. Can't miss the snow.
Snow.
We have made it to the hotel. There is not much snow. After the last shoot, we had to hunt for this. So now that the music video is over, we're looking for Grayson's wedding ring. It's got to be out here somewhere, right? So just gonna leave it in here. We found the hotel, but this was gonna be a challenge because we didn't know where they were. How to get around the hotel. So we're kind of lost in this building, but we'll get there.
I almost fell.
And communicating would be difficult because we didn't want to keep texting or calling the guy about to propose. So we kind of just walked around faking our own photo shoot. This is why we're here, baby. And luckily our timing was just right. Them right there.
Combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things. Like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. And love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart. Like why are we here and where do we go and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Well, we'll look at them stars and we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
Thank you guys.
Will you marry me? Because
And show him.
How long have you known about this, Sophia? Like a couple months ago.
Months?
Like maybe a couple, maybe a month. You ready?
Ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
One,
Sew it up, Sophia.
Let me get some snow because this is where the good snow is.
What are you guys wanting to eat?
So you
Yeah.
can just,
What kind of food?
turn this way.
Pancakes.
So I don't get the
Oh.
coffee. Congrats, by the way.
Thank you guys for making it out.
And thank you, Tony and Priscilla, for trusting us on your big day.
It's a cork, isn't it? Oh. I know why.
Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. I don't think they're ready for this. And this is our moment, ayy. The way that you're moving your body, girl, that shit is potent, ayy. If you love me now, would you love me at my lowest? Goddamn. A little lotus, yeah. Keep this thing going. Just take my hand, there's no going back. You don't know what you've been missing from my touch and all my kids.
That's the stall file.
Yeah. Oh, it's sour.
We don't ever go anywhere.
Yeah, do you want to? Well, he has a video too.
Starting over.
Go ahead.